Hi, and today we'll be talking about Screencast-O-Matic, which is a great, simple online tool for capturing what you're doing on your screen and playing it back later like a movie. So I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to make this Screencast-O-Matic demonstration. So first I have just this splash screen, but let me go over to the paper that I'll be handing out to you today. This is the Screencast-O-Matic paper, and it gives you instructions. The first day that you use Screencast-O-Matic will be the toughest. The quickest will be later on. So first you need to download the application, and I'll show you kind of a screen capture of what that looks like. So when you get into Screencast-O-Matic, you'll go to the internet, you open it up and go to the Screencast-O-Matic site. This is what it looks like. It's screencast-o-matic.com. When you get there, you'll see a prompt right here to start recording, and again I just took screen captures of these. You're going to click that prompt right there for start recording, and when you do that, you'll see something that appears right here that says Record Screencast. It will say Launching Recorder, and it will say click Allow or OK if prompted. And it will come up and say, oh wait a minute, you don't have the recorder launcher yet. So again, the first day is the longest, and then it becomes very quick. So right now I need to say, okay, I need to get that recorder launcher. I click that prompt, and it says Download started. And then I get a prompt that looks like this. It says, do you want to run this file? And I click that button right there that says Run. And it tells me that it's installing. When it's finished, it comes up with this prompt right here that says, Screen Recorder Launcher is ready. Go back to the website and start your recording. When I click right here and I say Record Screencast, it comes up with a prompt that says Launch Application. And I click this little box right here that says remember this if I don't want to click that every single time. But I click that remember mine and launch application. When I do that, I get to the recorder prompt. The recorder prompt will overlay your screen, and these parts right here that are the black and white sort of zebra stripe, you can adjust that with these little arrows right here, these corner pieces, to figure out how much of the screen you want to record. I made a very wide screen capture so you could see everything on my screen, but you might want to choose something small, for example if you're narrating a YouTube video or something else. So I get the prompt, it reminds me to check my audio and make sure that my sound is working, and then I press record. When I do that, it records whatever I'm doing, as it's doing right now. And when I'm finished, I press the pause button, and it says I can either continue to record or I can be done. If I click that Done prompt, then I come to this next screen, and it says, what do you want to do with this recording? There are several options for me to save this file. I can either download this as a video file, or if you have a YouTube account, as I do, you can post it to YouTube, which I'll do later for this one. And that's the end. When you're done, you just save it the way you want, and you can play it back for students to play later. That's it for Screencast-O-Matic.